sheet, some straps of white paper, a glue bottle, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and some markers. Let's get started. First, you have to fold the colored A4 sheet like this.
Of course, we have to fold it.
Yeah, it's a card. Like this.
To make it like a card.
There we go. Now we have to get your strand of white paper or peach color. And now you have to take your ruler and measure 3 centimeters. And now you have to fold it like this.
First, one like this. There we go. And then turn it the other side.
Two.
Get the correct amount. Remember.
4.
You can get
5. You need 5. So you get something like this. Cut out the remaining.
Okay, I think I got 3.
Okay, let's snip it out.
I don't know how much I can.
Okay, snip it off.
Okay, good. You can even make a fan like this. Like this, yeah.
Cut it off.
Remaining pattern.
Okay, you have to make sure you have 3 children. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Woo. Okay, now we are going to draw the sketch of the child. Let's start by a semicircle.
Yeah.
This is for the head. Like this. Okay. Okay, so you have to make sure you get the hand to the end and also the leg. That's very important because that's what makes the children all connect together. This, the leg. Finish it off. There we go.
So I'm going to...
Now we have to cut it out. Make sure you don't cut out this piece and this piece or they won't connect. Okay, now cutting mine.
Yep.
Cut
Can I open it?
Wait a minute. Okay. There we go. You're almost done.
I already
Now we
opened
have to
it.
cut. Okay, so I'm now opening it. Ooh, look at this.
Be careful.
Yeah.
It's easily breaking the hands and legs
Yeah.
because
Ta-da!
they're not much.
Here is my sister's one. Wow.
Boom, boom, boom.
That
They're
looks
working.
amazing.
Boop, boop, boop. They're working.
Okay, now let's color them in. You can draw a face, color that t-shirt, and show me. Okay, so I'm going to color mine.
She has a beautiful pony.
So make sure you bend it like this.
So look at my one, guys.
Yeah,
Oh,
we are still coloring.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to
Ta-da!
just surprise for
That's
you.
so cute.
Okay, I'm just going to...
Okay, let's open hers.
Ooh,
Ooh.
pass up. Whoop.
Ooh, that's so cute.
Yep. Whoop.
Okay, now let's put them aside.
Yep.
Now we have to get the A4 sheet which you folded and turn it. Now we are going to create the background which they are going to stain. You can draw rainbows or even paste using papers, but we are going to draw some trees, grass, butterflies, and even some clouds and some sun. Like this, any way you like. So in my trees, there are going to be 2. So let me draw another. Look at this. So she cut small stems because they're going to be in a far distance away. Let's color them in brown. Okay, so now I'm going to cut out the stems like this. Okay.
I'm just going to cut out some grass, guys.
Yeah.
So I have to see how much. So I have cut a piece. How about just take the just this amount, I guess?
So there we go. I have cut out the stems. Now let's cut out the tree leaves. I'm going to use light green and dark green. So I'm going to draw a shape like a cloud. Something like this. Looks so beautiful. And it. Okay, good. So now I'm going to do the same with the dark green. So I just cut this tape. There we go.
Let's see it again. Whoop.
Great, Malik. Okay, so here, what they look like. Now I just have to paste them. Okay, so I'm gonna paste this.
I'm cutting my cloud. Whoops. I'm in my leaves of the tree. So let me
Okay, paste, paste, paste. Paste.
There we go. For me to get easy, I do like the leaves like a cloud. That's it. Okay, I actually took a rectangle. It's a long one, and I folded it.
Now she can make two.
Then it's easy.
So now I'm just gonna draw some clouds and cover them in like this.
There we go. I go good. We have to stick it like this.
Okay, almost
I'm
done.
just going to get the map.
Ta-da!
Sandy, get the map. Be careful. Phew. So, I'll be back soon with my other trees.
Okay, so let me paste the grass.
And
Like
then
that.
my third tree.
Woo!
I have
There we
to.
go.
Look at this tree go.
Right over here.
Near this tree.
You have to keep space to paste the children.
Oh,
That's amazing.
I
Okay. Now we're going to paste the children. Okay,
just take.
so you have to get the children and you have to bend it like this. See? And then you have to add glue in this side. Okay, let's add some glue like this. And I paste it in this part like that. So you don't add glue for this side. You have to do the same with this one. Bend it and add glue. And you have to paste it. Paste.
Remember to eat at the middle.
There we go. Thinking of it.
Okay. Paste it. Oop. Paste it. There we go.
Look, this middle one pops. Whoa, wee! Can close it, and it pops out. Wow, it's so cool. Wow, look at that.
They're walking.
That's so cute.
They're walking everywhere. Whoop, whoop.
Everyone, do you know why we made this? Because today is Children's Day, and Happy Children's Day. Bye. Have a great Children's Day.